Good evening, students. It's a tea time, so tell me one thing. If I give you one brownie and your friend two brownies, what's the ratio? फंस गए ना? It's not a ratio. It's injustice. Actually, it's a ratio problem. Now let's learn. Before we start our session, please like, subscribe, and share. Okay, now let's start. A ratio is a way of comparing two or more quantities of the same kind using division method. For example, if a class has 20 boys and 15 girls, the ratio of boys to girls is 20 ratio 15 or 4 ratio 3. Ratios are written in the form of A ratio B, read as A to B. And there are some real life applications. We use it in recipes, maps and scale drawing, business and finance, and education like student and teacher ratios in the class. And please always remember that order matters. For example, the ratio of 2 ratio 3 is not the same as 3 ratio, right? And number 2 is simplifying ratio. Just like fraction, divide both terms by their greatest common divisor. Like 50 ratio 30. After simplification, 5 ratio 3. Right? Number 3 point you need to remember is equivalent ratios can be scaled up or down. For example, 2 ratio 3, it's equal to 4 ratio 6, it's equal to 10 ratio 15, right? Of ratios. Number 1, that is part to part. For example, boys to girls. 2 girls ratio is 4 to 3. Number 2, part to whole. That is comparing one part with the total. For example, boys to total students, that is 20 ratio 35. Now, for example, if we want to simplify this, we have 20 35, it's equal to 4 7, it's equal to 4 ratio 7. Now there are some common mistakes we always made. One is mixing units. We cannot compare 2 hours to 30 minutes without converting. For example, 2 hours and 30 minutes. It's wrong. We need to convert this into hours or this into minutes, right? Number 2, forgetting order. For example, 2 ratio 3, it's not same as 3 ratio 2, right? And number 3 is not simplifying ratios.